Hello everyone and welcome back. This exercise number 13 of the series of teaching Solid Edge. And actually, if you are new to the Solid Edge, I advise you to go with the labs first, up to the first 10 labs, and then you can start with these exercises. My suggestion to you also is you can choose whatever you prefer, but each exercise has a different addition or concept. It will be good to practice with these exercises. In this exercise, also I will in the description under the YouTube that video, I will put the link if you would like also to download a PDF file of the draft sheet, which is exactly similar to this one here. With the dimension, so this way if you want to practice you can download the PDF and you do your own practicing, so you have a copy of the drawings. As you can see in this exercise, there is not a single plane I can lock to it, and then I can start doing all the drawing and the sketches and so on. So this is a type of exercises that when you start from the base and you start building different layers till you finish the whole thing. So if I would like to start, I will start from the base, and this base is how much? Is 40 by 105, and the thickness here is how much? Is 12 millimeters. So let's do that first. So let me go to Solid Edge and start the session. So I'm gonna click on rectangle first. This is the steps to start. I'm gonna click on one of the drawing to rectangle by center, but don't put anything here. Once you click on one of the items here, then the planes will appear on the graph. So now I'm going to zoom, make it fit, so it becomes bigger a little bit. So now, as you can see, this is the front plane, this is the top plane, and this is the right plane. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to lock myself to the top plane. Click on the F3. So now I'm locked. Now, once you locked, now you need to put the dimension now. So I'm going to put here the dimension is 105, and the other one, enter. And the other one is 40. I'm going to put 40. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the top plane, and I'm going to put it in the middle of the shape. So I'm going to go exactly to the coordinate axis and put it there. Okay, so I succeeded to put this one in the middle. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go home and extrude. I'm going to put a face, this face here, and I'm going to go down. It is plus, add, it's going to come. So I'm going to go down how much? 12, yes, enter. Okay, so I have the base. The next step is what? To do this 5 millimeter here. The easiest way to do it is just I'm going to draw a rectangle by center, which is 25 by 10, and put it exactly in the middle here. So let's go to the Solid Edge. So I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to go to the front plane, and I'm going to choose rectangle by center. Don't put the dimension. I'm going to lock myself to this face here. So I'm going to click on the face here. Okay. And then what? Put the dimension, the width is 25. Enter. And the other one is 10. Why I use 10? Because it's twice the dimension of the groove. Okay. I'm gonna go to exactly in the middle of the center here. You see here in the middle, when you see the middle, you click. Half of it is going to be the 5 by the 25. I don't care about this one. I'm going to go home, and then I'm going to use what? Extrude, a chain. I want to make it cut, and here through all. Okay, that's fine. So I'm going to go to the chain here, not face, chain. Okay, chain, here it is. Okay, so I'm going to click on the arrow and move this direction. Very good. So I was able to get this one. So I'm done with the base right now for the time being. So now I'm going to go to the choose a circle by center and lock myself to the top of this face here. Why? Because I need to start drawing what this shape here, this like this one here, the 25 here. Okay, so let me go. I'm gonna do it in 2 steps, this one and then this one. Okay, so now let's go solid edge. I'm gonna go to the top plane. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go circle by center. Okay, and the first the diameter is 25. Enter. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure that it is on exactly on the same center line of the center of the circle. So I'm going to go there. When I see the dashed, red dashed dots, I'm going to click. Okay, I need to correct the dimensions. The dimension from the center of the circle to the current axis is 25. So I'm going to put 25. Enter. So now I need to make a mirror to the other side. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on mirror, highlight the circle. Oh, sorry, highlight the circle. Okay, this is a mirror circle and the mirror around what? Around this axis. So now I got a mirror of the circle. The next step is to draw the tangent. So I get the line and I'm going to draw the tangent, come closer to the top and draw the line, drag it with you till you see what the two symbols, the intersecting and tangent. So I'm going to click and then what you and right click to get out, escape, and what you should see a circle with an X. You see a circle with an X inside it. Let's do the other part. So go to line again, go to the toward the bottom. I'm going to move with me till I see what. So the two symbols, I'm going to click, right click to get out and escape, and then what you get what? The circle with an X. So now I was able to get this shape, go to trim and get rid of this inside thing. Okay. Now I'm going to go to the home, extrude, chain, and add. That's good. So what I'm going to click on the chain, add, and then I'm going to go up. How much? 25. End. Okay, so I succeeded to have this one done. The next step is what? To draw this shape here. And to do that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to lock myself to this face here and then draw the sketch. So let's go here. So what I'm going to do, choose one of the lines. I'm going to lock myself to this face. I'm going to click on the lock. So I'm locked to this face here now. So what I'm going to do, let me go to now to the front plane and starting from, say, from the top here. Yeah, when I see the dashed line means that I'm aligned with this one. So I'm going to go, then you go up vertical. Is it vertical line? Yes. Okay, so I'm going to click and it's 25 and then go horizontally till I meet the other one, which is at 25. I'm going to type it better. 25. Sorry, 25. Enter. And make it is horizontal. Okay, and then I'm gonna go down till I meet with this one vertical. Okay, I'm gonna click and what? Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go back again here to this location here, and I'm gonna get a line. Go to this location here and draw a horizontal line to cover all this thing here at the bottom here. Okay, good. Okay, I'm gonna go to no. Okay, now I need to do what the fillet. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on fillet. It choose this line, and it chooses this line, and it should be here. What? How much? 25. I'm gonna put the radius is 25. And do the same to the other side. Okay, good. Okay. Did I need it? Okay, now let me get rid of the trim the inside drawing. Get rid of this one and get rid of this one. Oh, what's going on? Okay, anyway. So, okay, let me go to the home, and I need to highlight extrude a chain. So okay, so okay, let me trim it first. Trim this one and trim this one. Okay, good. So extrude, where is this? Extrude a chain. So I'm gonna click on this chain here. Okay, plus. So I'm gonna go to this direction. No, chain. And I'm gonna go to how much? 40. Put 40, which is the size of the width. Okay, 40. Enter. Very good. So this way I was able to get this part here and get the other part from the other side. Okay, so yeah, the next step is I need to draw the holes here. So I'm gonna circle by center, so I can lock myself to the top here. So I'm gonna click on the top. Okay. Then I'm gonna go to top, and I'm gonna do what? The 12 millimeter circle by center. The diameter is 12 here. And I'm going to highlight the circle, this edge here, to reveal the center, and then I'm going to click on the center. Now highlight the curve here to reveal the center, and go back to the center. Okay, put another one at 25 diameter, and this should be exactly in the center of the part. I'm going to click here. Okay, very good. Okay, I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna do the extrude. Okay, first I'm gonna do what? Chain. Okay, that's a chain here. Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna go up 28. Okay, so I'm gonna go up 28, and I will leave it there for the time being. But what I'm going to do then, extrude again. I'm going to highlight this circle here, chain, and the other circle here. Why? Because I need to do the cut. So I'm going to do the cut. Okay, then right click to the arrow down. I'm going to say that extrude, extend what? Through all. What about that? Extrude through all. So now go down in one shot. Okay. So now you see that, okay, the thing has been thrown down to the edge. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make it top to the bottom here. And what I'm going to do, just I'm going to get a circle by center to make the groove where the head of the bolt will be in. This is the circle by center, and I'm going to say the diameter is 24. Enter. And then highlight the circle here. Put it exactly in the middle. Okay, no. Okay, so I'm gonna get bottom here. So highlight the circle, the center, reveal the center, so go to the center. Oh, I didn't lock myself, so let me lock myself first. I'm gonna lock to myself to the face, okay. And now I need to go to 24, so I'm gonna highlight this one to reveal the center, and now go back to the center and click the center. Okay, good. Do the same thing. Highlight the center to reveal the center. Sorry. So I'm gonna click when you see it. Okay. So I was able to do that. So I'm gonna tilt it a little bit so I can see what's going on. And then I'm gonna do extrude. And in this extrude, I need what? I need to do cut, change. So I'm gonna click on this one and this one, and I'm gonna go down how much? 8. So I'm gonna put 8. So I did the cut, which is 8 from the bottom. Okay, so now, let's go to the top. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the top plane. So first, let me get a circle by center. So I can lock myself to the top plane. I'm gonna click on the lock before I put any dimension, and then go to the top plane. And then first put what? I'm gonna just move this one up a little bit. Okay. Circle by center, and the first one is 25. Enter. And I'm going to put it exactly in the center here. Okay. The next one will be what? 35. Put 35 circle. And then go to the same center and click. And out. What I'm going to do is I'm trying to draw one tooth. One. So now just what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to rectangle by center. I'm gonna make the width of the teeth. Okay, so I'm gonna say 6, the width of the tooth. So 6, enter. And I'm gonna put any dimension here just to cover the areas. I'm gonna put just 20 for the time being. Enter. So now I have it. So now what I'm gonna do is just go from the center here. When I see the dashed line, yeah, I'm gonna go till I intersect. Here is the intersect. So I'm going to click. Okay, good. It is exactly in the middle and so on. So now let me trim. I'm going to trim this extra thing here and this one here. I'm going to trim this one here and trim this thing is here and this thing here, and trim the other circle here. So what's left is only the teeth. Okay, the tooth. So I'm gonna get the tooth. So now I'm gonna do what? Go to home, and I'm gonna extrude. And what I'm gonna chain plus, that's good. So I'm gonna choose the chain, this chain here. I'm gonna go down. How much? 20. I'm gonna put 20, which is the height of the tooth. 20. Enter. Very good. I'm gonna go to the top plane. And now I'm gonna highlight the tooth. So I'm gonna click on this to highlight it. Once I highlight it, I'm gonna go to the pattern and then circular pattern. And the way to do the circular pattern is what? You move slowly closer to the center of the pattern. So you see this, it's a circle moving with me. Once I put it here in this place here, just wait a little bit. Once you wait, it will be concentric. So once you see the concentration in the middle and the center, you click. Now, let's say you need how many? 8? Yes, this is the number I want because I used it before. So the computer still remember that. So I say, okay. And then you are satisfied. You can say what? Accept. Okay. So let's go back home and escape. Okay. and I succeeded to have that drawing. So this is a drawing. As you can see, it's beautiful. What did we do here? This is a 24. Yes, it is 24. Okay. So now, so I succeeded to do the video. I hope that you like the video. But first, I would like to thank you for watching the video, and I would love to hear your feedback. And if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and give it a thumb up. Have a wonderful day, and see you soon on another video.